How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be bringing you a quick video about Sun Nation and kind of short-term long-term outlook on this. Um, Honestly, long-term, it's not looking great at all. I'm going to try to be optimistic here. I'm not going to sell it as a buy now stock, but there's definitely potentials for some different plays, different gains. Definitely short-term. As you can see here, this was just today. If you're timing it right and looking at the RSA, probably the RSI, excuse me, and you can kind of get in a low point here. I think the lowest right here was 256, and it jumped to 283. It's about a 30-cent jump, which is some good chunk of change if you're playing it right. Overall, though, as you can see, down 99% year to date, which is just crazy. This is what, not even 5 months into the year. Um, you can see it's just been pretty bad. I believe here they had a reverse split of some kind, which is really never a good sign for companies. Long term, though, kind of flipping the switch here, if they're able to capitalize on the growing market of solar energy, I think, and this is what this kind of article goes over too, this little breakdown. Um, if they're able to capitalize on the market, there's definitely room for tons of growth, kind of like the household name for solar energy. They would have that going for them too. But it really comes down to the business itself and operations to see if they can kind of do this growth and this expansion within. And they don't really have a lot of revenue to be messing around and taking loans out to grow. Which a lot of businesses, a lot of good businesses do that. But when you're kind of already in the gutter like this, and if you go to all time, I know their stock wasn't trading at 13 million at one point, but it just shows how many different stock splits they've had and how down bad they are kind of overall. I think there's potential there, but I'm really not holding my breath on it. So yeah, there could be short-term plays here that maybe gain 5-10% real quick. Long term, if things turn around, it could be a pretty good stock. But really, it's not looking good. I wouldn't be surprised if it gets delisted. But thanks for watching.